Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 AGRIC Science Past Question, Question 7. Farm animal parasites are dash. Farm animal parasites are dash. A. Organisms that live in the soil. B. Organisms that live on or in the body of animals. C. Organisms that live in the bush. And D. Organisms that feed on crops. So we have to find the definition of farm animal parasites from the following options. Now let's just briefly define farm animal parasites. Now farm animal parasites are organisms. These are organisms that live in or on the body of farm animals. Now, the reason for them living in on the body of farm animals is for them to obtain food and shelter. That's the main reason why farm animal parasites lives on farm animals, to obtain food and shelter. And by them obtaining food and shelter, they cause harm to farm animals. Now, so there are organisms that live in or on the body of farm animals. Some of them live on the body of farm animals, that is, you see them outside, that is on the body of farm animals. We call them the ectoparasites. They live on the body of the animal, while those that live inside the body of the animals, we call them the endoparasites. So therefore, farm animal parasites are organisms that lives in or on the body of farm animals. And from this, option B corresponds to our answer, that is, organisms that live on or in the body of farm animals, which is B. So B is the right answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.